Welcome back to another episode where we help you navigate the dizzying world of products. Today, we're diving headfirst into the steamy debate of the century. It's a mop-off between the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Shark Steam & Scrub All-in-One Scrubbing Hard Floor Steam Mop S8001. On my left, we have the Steam & Go, which promises to clean everything from your floors to your curtains. And on my right, we've got the Shark Steam & Scrub, perfect for those who demand not just clean, but sanitized floors. So grab your rubber gloves, and let's mop up this comparison. First up, let's talk money. The Steam & Go is priced at a wallet-friendly $99, making it a great option for those looking to save some cash. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and versatility, noting that it offers great value for the price. Meanwhile, the Shark is strutting in at a slightly higher price of $139. While some users find the Shark to be worth the investment due to its powerful performance, others suggest that its higher price tag may not be justifiable for casual users. Now, let's get to the design. The Steam & Go boasts an innovative design that can tackle floors, grout, and even your couch. Reviewers love its portable size and variety of attachments, making it incredibly versatile. Meanwhile, the Shark has a sleek look and comes with rotating pads that scrub away stains efficiently. Users have praised its self-propelled feature, making it easier to use without straining their backs. Both mops have their design merits, but the Shark's ease of use gives it an edge for many. Performance time. The Steam & Go features a dual tank system that allows you to use both water and detergent, which many users find effective for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on laminate floors and its ability to handle tough stains. However, the Shark has 3 steam modes and delivers over 150 scrubs per minute, impressing users with its cleaning power. Reviewers have highlighted its ability to sanitize floors, making it a favorite for households with pets and children. Although both perform well, the Shark seems to have the upper hand in powerful cleaning performance. Now, safety. The Steam & Go operates at a max temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit, which may seem intimidating, but users appreciate its effectiveness. However, some reviewers have experienced issues with durability, citing a flimsy handle. On the other hand, the Shark is designed for all sealed hard floors and is praised for its robust build quality. Users have reported that it stands the test of time, making it a reliable choice for those serious about floor care. The Shark's durability and safety features make it a preferred option for many. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The Steam & Go is highly praised for its affordability and versatility, while the Shark is recognized for its powerful performance and durability. Users generally find both products effective, but preferences lean towards the Shark for those who prioritize sanitization and ease of use. So after all of this steamy debate, which mop is the real MVP? If you want versatility and a budget-friendly option, the Steam & Go is your best bet. But if you are after powerful performance and don't mind spending a little more, the Shark might be your cleaning soulmate. Remember, folks, whether you go with the Steam & Go or the Shark, the most important thing is to keep your floors clean and your jokes dirty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which mop you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay steamy.